So you want to learn how to code in Python? Great, we got you back. In this video, we will be tackling the basics of arithmetic operations. I am Rafael Delangan from Coding Catharsis, and I will be your guide today. Arithmetic operations pertain to the mathematical calculations that we do in Python to come up with values that were not yet known. Arithmetic operations are one of the biggest concepts in the entirety of everything programming. This is used in almost every system, game, and software out there in the world. In Python, we can perform the following main operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. You can also perform more specific operations such as exponential operations and floor divisions. To define each operation, addition is the act of adding two or more numbers. We use the symbol plus. Subtraction is the act of subtracting values. We use a symbol minus between two numbers or variables. Multiplication is the act of multiplying numbers with the use of the symbol asterisk. You may also consider exponential operations as a subtype of multiplication. Use two asterisks instead of one to perform an exponential operation. Division is, of course, dividing two or more numbers with the use of the symbol slash. Modulo refers to the calculation of two numbers' remainder. You may use the percentage symbol. Lastly, floor division acts similar to standard division. However, Python will ignore the result's decimal value or the numbers after the period. Floor division will always take the lower value, hence the term floor. Now you know the basics of arithmetic operations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, do type a comment down below or join us on our Discord server. You may find the links to our social media channels in the video description. See you and take care.